guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 2011 Dodge Ram. It's a crew cab short box Longhorn diesel 4-wheel drive, sitting on fuel wheels, some nice aggressive tires. It's got a custom exhaust on it, fully loaded too. Sorry about the wind. Down pipe. Truck's very fast. Also has ERG delete. No cats on this truck either. Runs very fast. Beautiful interior, all-weather mats. A baseball glove interior. Showing 131,718 miles. Check engine light is on too. Check engine light is because of manifold ABS something, exhaust, gas, template, and G007D not found. So it doesn't have cats, and it has EGR delete. Beautiful condition. Truck's very fast. Got some torque. Guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.